Hey everyone, we're All About Teeth at UCSF and today we'll teach you how to mount. Put the VPS tray adhesive on the tray. While you score the light body on the teeth, your partner will score the heavy body on the tray at the same time. Take the light body and go around the embrasures and margins. Make sure you're not lifting up your tip as you're going around the embrasures and the margin, otherwise you'll create bubbles. Go around the occlusal surfaces of your premolars and molars on the entire arch. Place the tray with heavy body onto your prep. Now we will work on the other arch. Put tray adhesive on the tray. For the alginate, use 2 scoops for 1 arch and 1 full cup of cold water. Make sure to follow the directions supplied by the manufacturer. Load the alginate material into the tray. Rub some alginate material onto the surface of the occlusal teeth. Seat the tray with the alginate material onto the typodon. Start posteriorly, then press down onto the anterior part. For a mandibular typodon, add more alginate material to capture the vestibular area. The tongue will be here on a real patient. Remove the impressions from your typodon. Check to make sure there are no air bubbles, especially on your margin.
I don't want to be alone, spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine.